Sana sa palengke na lang final ang impeachment case. At least doon, may nagtitinda ng
Tila
totoo.
hindi matanggap ni Leila de Lima ang desisyon ng Senado na ibalik sa lower house ang impeachment laban kay VP Sara.
Harapan na tayong niloloko. Kakaibang korte ito. Korte ng kababalaghan. We have just witnessed proceedings without boundaries, while the Constitution, the law, and the rules burn. By remanding the impeachment complaint to the House, the Senate simply made things up as it went along, without care for either constitutionality or propriety. Di na kinailangan ng abogado dito dahil wala na sa batas ang pinag-usapan. Kaya tuloy, sana sa palengke na lang final ang impeachment case. At least doon, may nagtitinda ng totoo. Since the filing of the articles of impeachment to the Senate last February, the Senate President has already discarded the Constitution by refusing to understand the word forthwith. Now, the Senate, as impeachment court, has just lit the Constitution aflame. All the proceedings and motions taken in the so-called impeachment court are without legal basis. Where on earth does a judge move to dismiss the complaint? And without hearing the parties first? Where is it in the rules of impeachment that a senator judge can move for dismissal? Where is it written that the impeachment court can remand the complaint to the House as a nice way of dismissing it? Ni hindi dininig ang House prosecutors para depensahan ang articles of impeachment. Ni hindi hinintay ang ini-impeach o in-impeach na siya mismo ang magpa-dismiss. Malinaw na walang due process. Sila-sila lang sa Senado ang nag-motion at nag-rule sa sarili nilang motion. Praises to Senators Risa Hontiveros, Coco Pimentel, Nancy Binay, Win Gatchalian, and Grace Poe for standing up for the Constitution. Shame on the rest for this travesty and ignominy that will mark them for the rest of their lives. Hindi pa ito tapos. The fight for truth and accountability continues.